Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix messages not showing notification on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on lock screen. After click on lock screen and select cards, and here showing you show content and hide content, and select show content. After select show content and click on app notification, select. So if you want to fix message notification not showing, so select specific app and turn on sound and vibration button. After turn on sound and vibration, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix messages not showing notification on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.